Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about how you can make money. Online, earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to traditional offline route. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows with secondary income streams. You should be mindful of the platform that you choose. While there are numerous ways to earn money online, some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount quickly when using online avenues to earn money with a situation involving more time at home or more free time in general, maybe fewer working hours for some of you might have some free time on hands. Here are online platforms, websites, and tools that can help you earn money online. Number 1 is freelancing and has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set so that interested clients can contact you directly. Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and Worknire.com are some websites that provide freelance jobs. You can earn anywhere between $5 and $100 through these websites. But remember, you will only get paid once you successfully complete the given task and it has been approved by your client. This may even mean revising the work several times unless the requirements of your clients are met. Some sites may ask you to set up a PayPal account, as most clients prefer to make payments. Number 2, starting your own website. There is enough material available online to help you put together a website. This includes choosing the domain, templates, layout, and the overall design for your website. Once ready to service the visitors with the relevant content, sign up for Google AdSense, which when appear on your website and clicked on by visitors, help you make money. The more traffic you get on your website, the more will be the potential for higher earning. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Once your website is up and running, you could opt for affiliate marketing by allowing companies to insert web links onto your site. This is like a symbiotic partnership. When visitors to your site buy products or services by clicking on such links, you earn out from it. Number 4. Surveys, searches, and reviews. There are various websites offering money to undergo online surveys, carry out online searches, and write reviews on products. To get the credit, one needs to disclose certain information to them, including one's banking details. This is why you should use this route with utmost care. Some of them may even ask you to register with them before working on projects. The most important watch out in such projects is to stay away from websites offering money that appears too good to be true. Be careful while evaluating the reputation of the website, as many of them could be a scam. Most sites promote businesses showing copies of check payments which may have been given to the middlemen only. Number 4. Language translating. Knowing a language other than English may even help you earn some extra money. There are several websites that offer translation projects that require translating a document from one language into another. This may include Spanish, French, Arab, German, or any other language to or from English. For many, this can make the task rather time-consuming, and therefore they hire translators available online from anywhere across the globe. Several websites such as Freelancer.in, Fiverr, Worknire, or Upwork offers you a platform to be a professional translator. Those who do not have the knowledge or the time to complete their projects on their own put up their work on these platforms, where you can register and start bidding on translation jobs and get paid in the range of $0.005 per word. This can go up to $10 for some languages. Number 5. Social media management strategy. In addition to interacting with friends and strangers, social networking platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat can be used to make money. Companies and brands pay social media strategists to further boost the popularity of their products. With lots of competition around and the constantly shortening of attention time of online viewers, creativity is essential to create posts, videos, etc. that can go viral quickly and enhance the brand value. Remember, social media needs dedicated time and energy to stay relevant. Hence, you need to share posts regularly and interact with your followers on a regular basis. Number 6. Web designing. Not all business owners are tech savvy, but the need of the hour is to have a website of their own. Those who have a knack for all things tech, especially related to websites, can help small businesses set up their own websites and earn from it. Coding and web designing are the essential ingredients in setting up websites. Further, websites need maintenance and may require frequent updates, which may add to one's revenue. Number 7. Content writing. Online platforms can be a good starting point. Depending on the quality of the articles one gets paid. One may be asked to work upon articles with specific guidelines as well. Develop a niche in your area of expertise and build strength in that domain to increase the revenue stream. Number 7. Open YouTube channel. If you are not comfortable in penning down your thoughts through blogs and content writing, make use of your camera to create a video presentation. Create your YouTube channel, upload videos and start monetizing them. Choose a category or subject that you want to make videos on and get started, but make sure it's a topic that will interest a lot of people. Everything from cooking shows to political debates can find many takers on YouTube. You have to create a YouTube channel, which works on a similar model as a blog. As you make your channel popular and the number of subscribers grows, so will your earning potential. The payment one gets is based on every 1,000 views. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in any of this online business, just comment below which one you are interested in, and next video I will talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos about how to make money online.